Awkward on night.
So guess what we're doing today? We're going to Blacksmith, motherfucker! Fuck
yeah!
We had a pretty early night last night. I went to bed at like 8 PM or something because we're pretty lazy. But we're now going to do lots of full driving today, and it's not windy, so we can get lots of drone shots. But first we're going to make lots of bacon egg rolls, and they're going to be really delicious. All the boys are up. Got a little fire going. Boop. But Chris is shit. He's not awake yet. But today will be a good one. Expect lots and lots of troublemaking. It will be good. That's a sad bit of bacon. That's... How do you feel about that?
I don't know,
Boom, there you have it. I made another video of my life. Now this one actually didn't turn out as good as I wanted to because I didn't charge my bloody phone overnight, so I couldn't fly my drone in the morning, so the phone was dead. Good work. The drone shots that are in there are from Chris. I think got like a couple in there. So thank you, Chris, for at least doing some sort of filming and not being as dumb as I am. Other things, I need to buy a microphone for my camera because there's a full segment that I was going to add that you can't hear me at all. You just hear whoosh, wind. Idiot once again, Lachlan. But overall, that was fine. That was a really good weekend with the boys. I guess I'm going to call these, so guess what we're doing today, because that's how I've started all my videos, which is going to be fun. Next weekend, I'm going to Pacific Park to go motorcycle riding with Dad, and it's going to be sick. I'll see you there. Peace.